Hello Aquarius, welcome back to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your July 16th to the 31st love guidance. This love guidance is going to be for those of you who have a love interest, someone that you are interested in romantically. You may or may not be connected to this person physically, but this resonates with you if you're really interested in someone. So please keep that in mind as you're watching. Also, give the video some time to resonate with you because we have until the 31st for it to resonate with you. Some of you it already resonates, and that's awesome. So if anything does feel like it's your situation or close to it, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. You don't want to miss nice videos like these. And if you guys are interested in going deeper after this, there will be an extended exclusive video that you'll have access to watch as much as you like. Just follow the link down below in the description box for that. Now, guys, let's get started. Aquarius, how do you feel about your person at this time? So, it's shifting where it's like this person's energy is kind of taken over. Okay, this is more about their feelings than it is about your own. You could just be neutral, but this person here is feeling definitely wanted by you. They feel like you want them. They feel like this possibly because of the attention you show them, or the time you spend with them, or maybe you said things to make them feel like that, or maybe you just really follow up. Like maybe people these days are not really following up with them, but you do. So there is something here about you really keeping the flow between the two of you, even if things are hectic around you guys. So they feel wanted. Also, they feel like they're under some sort of love trance from you. You really have this person in a really interesting days, or maybe you just make them feel so loved and appreciated. So your love has this person completely blown away. You may be doing something nice for them soon, or maybe you just make them feel like this because of the capacity in which you actually love them, or the way you make them feel different from other people is what I'm getting. So they're starting to see a more softer side to you as you learn to warm up to this person more. Like now you're starting to warm up to them. Maybe at first you were getting to know them, but the warmth wasn't there possibly, or even if it was, maybe I got it. Maybe it's the trust. Maybe the trust wasn't there that you wanted to get closer to this person, but then something is shifting where I feel like you're going to start wanting to be closer to them, and they're going to start sensing that. And so I think right now you're just balancing out your feelings about them, Aquarius. But in the meantime, this person feels like you have a more friendly disposition toward them, and a new and improved way about yourself that is uplifting and so sweet. You're so sweet to them. You're so positive. They see themselves loving you for a lifetime and keeping you close to them as well. This is their ultimate goal, is to love you forever and to keep you around forever. So you do make this person weak for you. Now, how does this person feel about you? More extended. Okay, this person feels like, happiness really lives within you, Aquarius, and people in general. They feel like happy people are happy because it's in them, it's not on them. Meaning that people can walk around here having a smile on their face or smiling at others when they say hello or greeting others, but you don't feel the happiness or joy from a lot of people when they do this. A lot of people do this because they are hypocritical, but you are the opposite. You smile and greet this person, or you smile at this person, or maybe they can feel your energy and that you're naturally happy to know them or naturally happy about them. So they feel good about you, and they know that you make them think positively because of your energy. This makes them hopeful for new beginnings and fresh opportunities to be able to escape the day-to-day tasks, to share some nice moments with you. So they look forward to spending moments with you every day or every night or every week or every month or whatever it is, however frequent it is that you see each other. They do look forward to it. They are absolutely infatuated with you and in love with your body too. There's something about your body that is standing out for this person. They're definitely into that. I feel like this person wants to be close to you physically as well. They think that you're very sexy, and this feeling is increasing more and more now for this person. They're starting to see you in a different way now, and I think it's because of your actions toward them. So your point of view and how you see this person, I think you view this person as someone who is going through the start of a new cycle. This is like the start of some new energy, or like a new energy wave of feelings that's coming through in the connection, and just as a person overall. It's something about this love that takes this person out of character, not towards you or anything, but in general, where other people may not get it or understand it, but there's a whole lot of people who do. So you bring out a natural feeling in this person's heart, and it radiates externally, where people even worship or praise this person for being such a lover, like being so loyal to someone, or being so in love with someone, or showing up for someone the way that they do about you. It's something about how this person really does gravitate towards you, or really does like you genuinely as a human being. And it's something about how they're so into you that other people can see it, and they love this person for loving you. Like, people praise this person for being super into you, or honorable. They receive honor by honoring you with the way they love you, or something like that is going on. So yeah, you see this person receiving these accolades because of this love. Also, you may see this as someone who has so much beauty. They could be so beautiful to you on the inside or out. This is a strong person, a person of power, a very compassionate and sweet person, and there's a lot of honor within this person. You may see them as a star, like a superstar, literally like a celebrity. So some of you could be around or interested in or dating a celebrity, or a person who's just really, really popular. Can be a local celebrity, can be a person who is well known or popular in your hood, could be popular in your community, in the city you live in the state. They could have a high position job, or they may have a high spiritual ranking, because that could be different. They may not be outwardly a person who has it all, but spiritually they do. And they are famous in heaven, okay? Like, this is someone who's definitely like that. And it can be both. It can be both at the same time. So this seems like a star that you may be dealing with, or a very powerful queen. Could be an Egyptian queen. Hello, family, right? This could be someone who you see as a queen, or it could be a king. Doesn't have to be Egyptian. It can be a queen of whatever you want it to be, or a king of whoever you want that to be. But this person has definitely a superior role, I feel, or maybe they have a very strong energy that it feels like that because people love them, right? It can be just a person who's popular in a group of people. Maybe they're a part of a group organization, or a school setting, or they're just the popular one, the jock. Maybe they're the head, the what do you call that, quarterback. Maybe they're the quarterback of the football team. I'm not sure, you guys. Like, just think of who this person is and how they come across to others. But it seems definitely positive, and like people absolutely love this person. So that's how you see this person. This is just from your eyes. It may not be that this is all true, but this is how you may see them. So you may see also that this person is able to offer you, even with a higher way of understanding things or understanding them. It seems to be a person who's wise as well. And you also see that they're no longer held by limitations. So there were things that was holding this person back from this connection, with you, or maybe holding them back from communicating with you. There were blocks in the way, or possibly people or things that came in the way of the connection. But you feel like this person is now able to forgive others for the things that they have done to them. This could be a person who is chosen, or a person maybe who is royal, or a person who does have a high role in society. But a lot of people try to block your love with them. A lot of people try to do that. But this person, instead of like trying to fight everyone, they're forgiving people and learning to heal those wounds of the past. People really hurt this connection for some of you, or maybe their friends or family tried to ruin it, or a baby mama, a baby daddy tried to do this, husband or wife tried to do this. I don't know, but this person has gone through some blocks from other people that tried to get in the way. But I think that right now you see this person releasing judgments about what people have done in the past, or what they're doing now. And maybe they're coming out of having this like perception that people are just so evil, they never want to see me happy. And now they're starting to visualize a brighter future, because they know that you two are working toward a connection that seems way more positive than a lot of things around them right now. So you give them like hope that there can be a brighter future in the midst of them going through all of this. Interesting and very nice. So how do they see you? This person sees you as sanctuary, as a place of peace. When they connect to you, they feel at peace. They feel like they can let their hair down. You make them feel good, like genuinely. Okay. That's how you make them feel. So like every time they get a chance to either be in your energy, okay, or they feel your energy, or they're reading your energy, or they're around you in your presence, or maybe if they're watching you on social media or in any other kind of way, whatever it is, this person sees something so sacred about you and about this connection. You're very sacred to them. This love is sacred to them, because this is the moments where they can get away from everything else, and they know that when they connect with you, it helps them to breathe, right? You are a pure soul to this person, and you do have a spiritual power that's beyond what you may think, Aquarius. Like, you help this person in a major way, even though you may not know. It's the simple things. You don't have to do anything extravagant. I think that when you come around this person, you're positive just like them. And they could see the difference between you and other people. They can see the difference between you and people around you guys. So like if you guys work together, or live together, or go to the same school, or you guys are just some kind of way, however you guys are connected to each other, they do see a difference between you and people around them in their environment. And they feel like when you come around, you reactivate something within them, and they're following their first mind about you. Like something about them, something about you tells them that you are a good person to gravitate towards, so they're following that. They do sense something holy about you, Aquarius. Like you have some type of, like, you have a side of you that is pure, and they can sense that, and that's what they gravitate. That's why they like talking to you. That's why, if you notice, they communicate differently to you than they do with others. You are the thing in their life that keeps them sane. You keep them going. You help them. So if you meditate, if you pray, or if you are more like an introvert when you're dealing with this person, like you're kind of quiet, or you just being in their presence helps them feel more balanced. Because if you're dealing with someone who has a high position in the world, is a famous person, or is someone who is a leader, like a global leader, or maybe a person who is a chosen one spiritually, then you should know already that there's going to be so many bad people, demonic spirits and souls that are trying to attack this person and attach themselves to this person all the time. So you should have an awareness of that. So the fact that this person comes to you, or like when you come to them, it's really, really helping this person in a very dark world that we live in. And so that's why they talk differently to you. You may notice their tone drops when they talk to you, because they feel a sense of comfort when they're talking to you. They feel a little safe with you. So this person definitely sees you as someone who has divine wisdom within you, that you could help align them to doing the right things, and that every day there is a higher potential because you're around, or because they can fall back on you, or because they wait for those moments when you come around to remind them that you don't have to take all of this so seriously, or you don't have to overwork to be successful. You can just kind of like chill and not take this stuff so seriously. So you just remind them through your actions and how you do things that it's okay. All right. So yeah, wow, this is beautiful. If you guys want to go deeper, get the extended. Thank you.